Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August 2nd, 2018. This is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis. You know where we are here to give you all our price predictions according to the charts. And before I do, I definitely want to show you coinmarketcap.com of the overall direction of where the cryptocurrencies has been moving, including Bitcoin has been to the downside. The market actually was able to trade or have a market cap of about $300 billion, and right now you can see that the current market cap for the cryptocurrency space now stands at $267.5 billion, but Bitcoin is still maintaining its dominance around 48.7%. Now, given the fact that the currencies in this particular space have been in such a slump since the beginning half of 2018, our analysis for the market in this space continues to show the same weakness is going to continue to happen for the majority of these altcoins, and literally some of these other altcoins are approaching trading at zero. So hopefully you all are not in those particular coins, but nevertheless do your due diligence. So you can tell that Bitcoin, a lot of these currencies over the last 7 days alone are literally in double-digit losses. Ethereum is down almost 12% over the last 7 days. EOS, you can see that EOS as well is down double digits, almost 16% over the last 7 days. So I mean, the overall cryptocurrency space, even though there was a lot of excitement in Bitcoin for moving higher back towards $8,600, $8,800, everything else continues to show us indications of some weakness. The only green that you can see here over the last 7 days will be the stable coin Tether, and as well as Binance Coin, which trades against Bitcoin for the most part. But everything else over the last 7 days, even the last 24 hours, have seen drastic changes to the downside. So hopefully you all are one of our members on our HueFin News Patreon page, because you all could have been scathed from the cryptocurrency space move to the downside. And if you're not, then you definitely need to come and join us, because we are there to update all of our members to the changes that we see in the cryptocurrency space. And it's only $3 a month. So again, the link is going to be in the description of the video. If you're interested, it's only a meager price just to make sure you're updated as to what is occurring in the market. We are literally giving you all advance notice, advance warning as to what the market is going to do before anyone else does. So today we're going to do our analysis for QTUM, which you all can see here is ranked number 22. Last 7 days this currency is down 18%. Last trade according to coin market cap is $6.49. We are also going to do an analysis for TRON, down 13.77% over the last 7 days, and its currency literally is trading towards 3 cents according to this website. And then the last one we're going to do is DAT, ranked 385, all the way down here. DATUM. Last 7 days, this currency is down 23.68%. This coin literally is almost at zero, according to this website, 0.01 cents. But nevertheless, we can do our analysis for a multiplicity of altcoins, and if you have an interest in any one of these coins, you definitely need to become one of our members, and then we'll do analysis for you the simple way. The link is going to be in the description of the video if you are interested. But for right now, let's get into it. First one up for today is going to be TRON. So you can see that TRON currently is down 2.95%. Last trade was around 3 cents. This currency definitely is trading around a very hard area of support. That is one of the most positive things that you can have in the market. But as we go throughout time, we need to see whether or not TRON is going to be able to maintain that support, because support right now is 3 cents. Over the last 4 trading days, including today, the market continues to show us indications of market weakness. Right now, we need to see more indications of strength, which we are not seeing. We can come all the way back down to 2.5 cents over the next couple of trading days. And I'm saying that I'm seeing that right now. But again, we have been consolidating for the last month or so, and we still was not able to break 4 cents. So we're definitely leaning more towards moving lower in price in TRON. And definitely, if the overall cryptocurrency space continues to give us indications of market weakness, then definitely TRON will come down to 2.5 cents. Let us look at the 3-hour bars in TRON. You can see we had a very sharp downturn in this particular market for this currency. Told you all that 3 cents is support, so that's why we're holding support right now. And literally, I'm expecting TRON to move a little bit higher in the short term. Resistance is going to be around 0.033 cents. If we can break that particular area, then again, we might move just a little bit higher to 0.034. But overall, this currency is not giving us any indications of market strength. I am seeing, though, the ability for this currency to maintain that support above 3 cents. And as long as that occurs, expect this currency to move higher in price. Before I go, let's take a look at the 1-hour bars. And literally, you can see here that TRON is about to hit a resistance area around the highs of these 2 1-hour bars, which is going to be very imperative for it to break in order for it to move higher. The strength is still here in this currency, so I'm still looking for this currency to move higher in price, but it might not move that high. Next one on the list is going to be QTUM. So QTUM is down 5.95%. Last trade was $6.41. Taking a look at the daily price bar for QTUM, and again, this currency has made an all-time low today in the market. Let's see how low this coin went. QTUM made a low $6.38, all-time low ever since it's been traded here on Bitfinex. Look at the volume. The volume is extremely high. This is a indication of more weakness to come in this particular space. I would not be in QTUM at this particular time, especially since we do not have a bottom to pay attention to. We're looking at the 3-hour bars, and I'm still not seeing any indications of support coming in. We have been consolidating over the last 4 hours, or last 4 3-hour bars. That's a slight positive, but again, I'm not all convinced that we're going to move substantially higher in price. But there is some indications that QTUM can move higher. Let's look at a 6-hour bar real quick. So even looking at the 6-hour bar, weakness is still here. So we might catch support relatively quick and come back up towards $6.80 or maybe even $6.60. But overall, there's a lot of weakness in this currency. I'm still looking for this currency QTUM paired against USD to continue to move to the downside. Even though we might get a pop in the market into tomorrow or even the day after that. So the next one on the list is going to be DAT. You can see that DAT is down 2.34%. Last trade was around 5 cents. The market on the daily price chart for this currency is still weak. We have noticed that the market tried to move higher today in trading, only to get inundated with more stockpile to move back down to lower prices. Now, let's see here where this currency came down to when it first was traded. in the market. So now DAT is trading almost towards the low that occurred on November 3rd, 2017. So you know that we are coming across a very important area of support, and we need to see more indications of strength to come into the market. Right now we're not getting that. Definitely more weakness is in this space. I'm looking for DAT to continue to move lower in price. As a matter of fact, it might even continue to make all-time lows over the next couple of trading days, and especially if the cryptocurrency space continues to be in the slump that it is in right now. And I'm still seeing weakness on the 3-hour bars. I'm sorry, on the 6-hour bars. And let's see here on the 3-hour. 3-hour is giving us some indications of some stabilizing coming into the market for this coin. So we may actually consolidate in the short term, but long term we're still seeing this currency continue to move to the downside. Short term, yes, we might move higher, but not that high. Ultimately, it might just come up to around 0.056 cents. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be the last one for today. Bitcoin currently is down 1.04%. Last trade was $7,550.60. Daily price bar for Bitcoin definitely shows you indications that we are trying to stay above $7,400. I'm expecting us to consolidate again into tomorrow's trading, meaning that $7,400 needs to be held as support and $7,800 is resistance. Quick look at the 3-hour bars for this currency. You can see here that we are in a consolidation, and as long as we stay above 7,500, 7,450, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to move higher in price. That is going to be my analysis for tomorrow. Expect this currency to continue to move higher in price. Now I told you that it might not move that high. You can tell that $7,600 in the background of this chart has been a huge area of resistance. So Bitcoin will need to give us a push to go bar in order to move higher than that. But nevertheless, I'm still seeing us trying to move higher in price into tomorrow's trading. So like I said earlier, if you guys would like us to analyze a different altcoin paired against BTC, it can be paired against USD. It can even be paired against the British pound, the euro, or even the Japanese yen. We would definitely do a video for you all once you become our HueFin News Patreon member. In the meantime, the links are going to be in the description of this video as well if you're interested. But in the meantime, as always, make sure you maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.